So it is a very interesting question to think about how these various principles of learning relate to cognitive development. There have always been at least two positions associated with theories of cognitive development. One of these is that there is some sort of maturational process by which essentially the mental machinery, or the neural machinery, is changing with age, and so that we become faster thinkers, capable of holding more information in memory at one time, etc. The alternative view is that what happens as we get older is we learn more and we practice more, and so it's not that in some sense our neural machinery has just changed, it's just been practiced on certain tasks a great deal. There's undoubtedly truth in both positions. However, there certainly is some evidence that suggests that things that are sometimes attributed to developmental differences just due to the age or state of maturity, may in fact be experience-based. So there have been studies that have shown that children can perform various tasks such as mental rotation as rapid as adults if they're given as much practice. And indeed, it appears that children are on the same learning curves as adults are, that they're just starting out at an earlier point, raising the speculation that the difference between them and adults is just the amount of experience they've had in doing mental rotation. There have been studies that have looked at particular domains for which particular children have greater expertise. So Mekichi has done research looking at children who had spent a lot of time practicing chess and found out that these children had better memories for things like chess position than adults did who hadn't spent the same amount of time. Again, suggesting that these apparent developmental differences may largely reflect differences in experience, that at some level, usually at least it's the case, that the child is the universal novice, whereas adults have become experts at least at some things.